Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can reverse audio on CapCut PC. So let's just select this audio here. It's going to make it a little bit quieter. So you do have to kind of make it into a compound clip using any like photos or any videos. Make sure the video has no audio though. You're going to select both the video and the audio. This is what it sounds like before. This is me just testing the voice. Okay, you can just freeze frame it. I think I deleted the freeze frame, but oh my god, sorry. There we go. Select both the clip and the audio. Right click, create compound clip, and then you'll be able to reverse the audio as well as the video or the photo. And then you can just export it as like an MP3 file. So just select audio here, and that's how you can reverse audio on CapCut PC. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!